Hey my cookies! Today I am going to show you how to make the most obnoxiously cheesy 5 cheese macaroni and cheese. How many doggone times am I going to say cheese? Recipe that ever lived. Why? Because I'm extra and I'm bored and you need this in your life. Let's cook. Alright, so boom. Pour some chicken broth or stock into a large pot, bring it to a boil, then stir in the elbow macaroni. This is going to make them so flavorful. Once it's done, cook that according to package instructions. Once it's done, then you want to drain it. Do not rinse. Don't rinse it. Pour it back into that same pot. Make sure the heat is off. And then we're going to stir in some butter. Stir it until it melts. This is going to stop the cooking process. Okay, now we're going to pour in some evaporated milk and some half and half. Now turn the heat on a medium setting and bring it to a simmer. Then we're going to stir in some onion powder, salt, and white pepper and stir it all together well. Now the cheese, I'm adding in some shredded American cheese or Velveeta, some Colby Jack, and some mozzarella cheese. Stir it all in until it starts to melt. And you will have this creamy goodness right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is grease or butter a dish. I'm using a smaller dish because I want to layer. You can just use one big dish and pour it all in there. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to start by putting half of the macaroni into the baking dish. Now I'm going to add in some Munster cheese or Munster cheese, however you pronounce it, that's your business. Okay, I normally would use shredded, but they didn't have the block at the store and I wasn't going to another store, so the slices are going to work. Then I added on some shredded mozzarella, the rest of the mozzarella, the rest of the Colby Jack, and lastly, I finished up with some cheddar cheese. I use sharp, but medium is fine. Then we're going to bake it on 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it looks like this. Okay, do not cut into this yet. It will burn your mouth. Give it time to settle, like 10 minutes to cool, and then you are ready to serve, guys. Look at this stuff. Okay, I know I gotta get a grip, but the recipe link, Lord, look at that. Okay, what was I saying? The recipe link is down there in the description box. Thank you so much, my beloved cookies, for watching. If you enjoyed this, give your girl a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you haven't yet. Look at this stuff. Okay, guys, I gotta eat. So until next time, be blessed.